This is Samsung's new Galaxy Z Flip 4 and it looks a lot like last year's Z Flip 3. The size is the same and even the cases from the old model fit the new one. But there is one big change under the hood and that is the larger battery. See, the flip form factor is tiny and teardowns show the phone uses two tiny battery cells in each half of the phone connected together. This gave a total of 3300 mAh battery capacity on the Flip 3. And now, thanks to a more compact hinge, it's a 3700 mAh battery on the Flip 4, which is actually a very nice 12% upgrade in battery capacity. But has actual battery life improved, and by just how much? Hello guys, my name is Vic with PhoneArena, and to find out we have run the same tests on both phones. And we start with browsing the web, where we have a script that cycles through the same set of pages, scrolls up and down, a perfect simulation of, well, browsing the web. So with the phones fully charged up, we take them off the charger and run the test until the battery dies. Simple. So let's fast forward here because this test runs a long time. And we're only showing you a placeholder run now and not the full run because we would have to run the camera for hours. So fast forward, and unsurprisingly is the Flip 3 that dies first out of the two with a score of exactly 10 hours and 13 minutes of browsing the web, which is actually on the lower side for most phones. But the Flip 4 with that larger battery keeps on going and we have to wait and wait for quite a while more. So again, let's fast forward, and right here the Flip 4 finally taps out to at 11 hours and 40 minutes. That's nearly an hour and a half more than the previous generation, which is quite nice and lives up to the expectations. Now we have one more test for those of you who watch a lot of videos rather than just browsing the web. So for this test, we're running the same YouTube playlist on both phones over a Wi-Fi connection. And did we mention that we also set the brightness on these two at the same level before each test to ensure that the conditions are equal? Alright, again, both phones fully charged up and we kick off the test and we'll save you the complete run, and let's fast forward until again the Flip 3 is the first one to die after just 7 hours and 10 minutes, while the Flip 4 still has plenty of juice left. So we let the test run for a couple of hours more until this moment here when we get the black screen of death on the Flip 4 as well, and the time on the clock is 9 hours and 45 minutes, which is a full 2 hours and a half more compared to the previous generation. Now that is a far better score out of the Flip 4, and we are glad that Samsung addresses one of the bigger weaknesses of the Flip series with this latest edition. And this is something that you also notice in real life, of course. The Flip 4 can definitely last through those longer days, while the Flip 3 would need a top up in the late afternoon, so that is nice. And another nice upgrade is support for faster 25-watt charging speeds on the Flip 4, which brings it on par with the Galaxy S22. The previous Flip 3 could only charge at 15 watts. Of course, such are the times and no charger comes included in the box with the Flip 4 and you'd need to buy one separately. Well, at least you do have the USB Type-C cable included in the box. Both phones also support wireless charging at speeds of about 10 watts, not the fastest around, and it's quite a bit slower than charging via a cable. So that's it, the battery test on the Flip 4 compared to the Flip 3, and we're seeing a nice improvement. The bigger battery on the Flip 4 definitely makes a difference. So would you buy the Flip 4 now that it has the same price but the battery actually lasts quite a bit longer? Is that the game changer that you were anticipating? For all else, this phone is pretty similar to the Flip 3. Even the cases, as I told you, from the older phone fit the new one. So let me know if the Flip 4 is finally good enough for you to make the jump towards a foldable phone, and if not, let me know what would you like for Samsung to improve in the comments right below. My name is Vic, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.